we get into this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to receive more videos from me, and hit that notification bell to get notified when I create more videos. Series in which I'll be using JDA 5. So in the past I've made a JDA tutorial, but I was using JDA 4, so this will be a fresh tutorial using the latest version, JDA 5.beta 2. So before you begin, you need to create a new project, and the project is going to need to be a Java project using the build Gradle, and when you create it, you'll end up with a screen without these dependencies. So the implementation you'll need is JDA itself, these loggers, and jconfig, which we use to store your token secret for the bot to run, and these just come default when creating the file. So I'll put these implementations in the description. So after you've loaded, you'll have a main file. So before you continue, so in order to create a JDA bot, you'll need to create a main function, public static void main string args, and then here you want to do JDA builder. No, I mean JDA itself, not JDA, which is the main entity for JDA. JDA equals JDA builder, new JDA builder. I just put quotation here, and one second, no, I've done this wrong. JDA builder, JDA builder, create default. This will basically have all the default intents, cache. I'll go over the gateway intents and everything else in later videos, but we're just gonna create the basics here. I'm gonna put token, and I'll show you how to get that. And you wanna do .build. So first of all, we need to get our token. So in order to do that, you can head over to a new tab, and you're gonna go to Discord developer portal, and you're gonna go here. You probably won't have all these. This is just all the bots are created. You want to create a new application, and you can call this application whatever you want. I'm just gonna call it bot, and agree. And once you have this, you're gonna end up in a screen like this. You want to click bot, or just click add bot, and just press yes, do it. Or that's how I'll just change the bot name. So this is example bot. Press save changes, and then press add bot, and just press yes, do it. And then once you've done that, you'll end up in a screen like this. So usually when creating a new bot, you won't get the token, so you'll need to press reset token and yes, do it. So I'm gonna need a 6-digit code here, so let me just get my 6-digit code. 6-digit code. Now we have our new token. Don't worry, man. If you try to use it, I'll probably change it for the next tutorial, so it's fine. So let's just put it here for now, and now we need to go over how to set up where to store the token. So the way I've got in this tutorial is you'll need to create a config.json file in the root of your project, and the way JSON works is that you can have brackets, and you just type in the variable name, and you put like a number or a string. So just call this token, and colon, and I'm just gonna put in quotation as a string, much easier, get rid of that in. So now we have the token. You can get rid of this, and we're just going to use the jconfig utils. It basically contains everything configured. It goes to config.json. We don't need to mess around with all the settings, and just do get string and token, and it should work now. But before that, we need to add a bot to our server. So head over back to your bot, go to the URL generator. We need to check bot and commands, because we need to run the commands. Application.commands here, and you can give what permissions you need for this tutorial. We're going to go through the moderation commands and everything else. I recommend just giving administrator, and also recommend creating a test server, because you don't want to do it in your main server. And you're going to do test server. That's my test server. Administrator apply. and just verify that you're human. And once you've done that, it should the bot should join. And so now, in order to test if the bot's running, we'll need to add a new event listener. So how event listeners work is that Discord sends JSON to JDA, and JDA accepts that. And say, for example, Discord send a ready event, meaning the bot is ready and everything. JDA will handle that, and they'll send their own event called ready event. So we'll just do it here. So public, and just create a new class and just call this listeners events. Java class listener events, and we need to extend event listener adapter. This is where where JDA's all events are listed. So if you have a look, all the on started on ready, basically you can write the code, override it, and once it's ready, you'll get a notification. So just do a override public void, and we want to get this one, the on ready event, on ready, and let's do ready event. And now we want to set up our logger. So private static final logger. Make it private because you only want to have it specifically this class. So just do logger equals logger. Logger. We're going to be using logback, as I've told you to do with the build log riddle. You do logger factory dot get logger, so listener dot class. And now what you do logger dot info bot is ready. And that will just get the bot's tags. I'll go over all that in a later episode, in a tutorial, over the users and how everything works. JDA is the main entity, self-user is the bot, and the tags is like the hash 4321. So once you've done that, you also add it to JDA. So JDA, the add event listener, new there. Now once you run the bot, everything should work. You should see, once JDA loads everything, you should see something saying bot is ready there. Logged in example 7717, and if you go to Discord and we go to our test server, you can see our example bot is up and running. So in the next episode, I'll go over configuring everything. So getting ready to create / commands, and also showing you how to configure your logger, so to have it where it shows debug is in one color, error is one color, and info is one color. So that's pretty much it for this episode. I hope you've understood how everything works for this tutorial, and in the next tutorial I will be explaining what I just said before. So that's it for this tutorial. Have a great day. Peace out.